This video clip will give you an overview of a typical unit of the TeamTogether Pupils Book so you can understand the role of every lesson. Each unit of TeamTogether begins with a unit opener, followed by vocabulary, the story, grammar, more vocabulary and grammar, culture, English and action, and skills lessons. Each unit ends with a review and a Get Ready For page. The structure of the unit differs in lower and higher levels of the course. Let's take a look at one unit from Level 3. Each unit starts with an eye-catching visual presentation of the target vocabulary. It presents new vocabulary in context, activates prior knowledge, and introduces the unit topic. Many activities like this develop 21st century skills, which are indicated with icons. Learning critical thinking and problem solving, creativity, communication, and collaboration are a must for today's students, allowing them to thrive and succeed in the modern world. There are 2 vocabulary and 2 grammar sections in every unit. Vocabulary sets appeal to children's interests and reflect external exam topics. Grammar structures are taught in a clear, step-by-step approach in every unit. Grammar boxes show student-friendly examples of target structures. At lower levels, there is an audio model. Grammar is always shown in context. This may be in the story, chant, song, or text. Further practice is provided in the activity book. In levels 1 to 4, there is a story in every unit following the characters' adventures. The Discover team in Level 3 are a group of intellectually curious children who are keen on science and learning new things. Stories have audio and a story animation to bring them to life. Each story is based on concepts from common social and natural science curricula. At levels 5 and 6, they follow the real-world adventures of a group of children who run an online magazine called The World of Wonder. The culture lesson, like this one, helps pupils to build an understanding of the world around them. Focusing mostly on the UK and USA in levels 1 and 2, the selection of countries slowly expands across the levels. An interesting culture video explores the topic further. The projects in every unit let children work together and be creative. The English in Action lesson introduces useful functional language. Exposing children to this language right from the start ensures they learn what to say in a variety of situations, such as talking about preferences, asking for directions, or calling the emergency services. Each lesson also includes a phonics or pronunciation activity. The dedicated skills lesson in each unit provides further practice of the 4 skills. In Starter and Levels 1 and 2, the main focus is on developing listening and speaking skills. As the levels progress, there is growing focus on building reading and writing skills, alongside listening and speaking skills. Model texts and tips help children with their writing skills. TeamTogether also provides opportunities for students to get acquainted with the format of external exams. Cambridge English Qualifications exam-type tasks are seamlessly integrated in the core material, providing practice in an unthreatening manner. These are marked with a target icon. The review lesson consolidates and practices key language from the unit. A collaborative task makes revision more engaging. The Get Ready For lesson introduces learners to task types from Cambridge English Qualifications, like this for the A1 Movers Test. That concludes our overview of a unit in TeamTogether. For more information, explore the other course materials.